We decided to become a Bradstone installer because we've been using their products for a number of years, and we felt that we would be able to approach the market in a much stronger position if we did it together. Two main things I liked about this project. One was the size and type and aspect of the property, which allowed us to be quite innovative with the space but still keep within a reasonable budget. And secondly, the client. They were very open-minded about what they wanted, but still quite clear about their likes and dislikes, so we were able to be as innovative as we possibly could. I think the success of this project was primarily driven through the communication with the customer, and from the start we were able to determine what their likes and dislikes were by going through pictures from books and magazines so that we could create a scheme that was bespoke to them. And then we put together some drawings ourselves, which were some 3D, some planned drawings, so they could visualise exactly what they wanted, and we could create their dream garden for them. One of the key considerations within any project is the paving, and on the market these days there's a significant number of types of paving that you can use. On this particular project, maintenance was the main consideration for the customer, but they also wanted to consider a quite traditional feel, and for us that meant there was only one range that we could use. So we went down the Romeli grey blend paving because this tied in with the products for the house, but also gave them that low maintenance finish on the paving. The best part of any project is seeing it come to life at the end, but also seeing the customer see it come to life. They've seen pictures throughout, but when they actually see it in the flesh, that is a very rewarding time for us. Being a Bradstone installer has not just given us the confidence to approach the market with a recognised brand behind us, but also from a customer's point of view to see us aligned with that brand, knowing that we've got the technical backup and the product knowledge to satisfy their requirements. Throughout any project you suffer many challenges, but typically for us, soil conditions and removing the water are the main ones, and that has to come down to a fundamental part of the design. When starting a project, our main piece of advice to the customer is know what you want and know how much you want to spend. Any good installer will make sure you get value for money for what you want to spend, but you need to be clear about what you want.